Greetings, y'all from Forney. We're at the Classic Car Wash, and we're gonna go through another one of these. Alright, I'm going to get a thumbnail currently from the camera. Like the custom gantry on here. So I can get the focus right. Go. See, there are your wash options, and there's a bit more of a detailed menu right there. We're gonna go and do the $14 wash.
You have selected the Premium Car Wash. Please deposit $14. Thank you for your purchase. To start your car wash, please pull into the wash bay.
Starts up like the Odyssey, and the undercarriage is already going.
Please drive forward. Please drive forward.
Whoa, this is...
Please drive forward. Please drive forward. Please drive forward. Place car in park. Place car in park.
Alright, now we're grooving. And there's our tri-foam. This one's more double. Maybe the white's supposed to be the third color. Alright, for those of you who watch these videos, to note that I did a stream of all these night car washes, so I'll probably be answering questions live. $14 wash, well, let's say this. A lot of tunnel washes charge $25 for their top wash, so 14's not as bad as it seems. And is the stream public now, Charlie? Because when I did restart it, I did see that it was set to public. I probably overlooked that last time. Oh, that's why it's on autofocus. Seems like it is public now because I already have more people, more likes, so that's good. The tri-foam was coverage is pretty good though. So this is ooh. Texas flag and the DNS logo on the gantry. That's pretty cool. This is the Classic Car Wash in Forney. Welcome. Yeah, this is my second IQ. Before the stream, I did get a night take of Clearwater in Terrell. And the reason why I did it before the stream is because it was about to close and I wanted to get in and get out kind of thing, so. I also did the bottom wash, so. I have a bottom dollar video of that place now. Welcome y'all to the stream. This is the second attempt because apparently The first attempt was unlisted. So yeah. If it wasn't for the people that actually came on and notified me, I wouldn't be seeing this right now. So yeah, why not a better way to start spring break than with a night car wash spree? Ooh, wax and rocker panel blasters. Interesting, this one's programmed totally differently from the other one that I filmed last fall. So we're gonna film at least 3-4 more washes after this. Trifoam came before this. By the way, the other bay has the same machine. So far, this wash has been pretty good. And $14 seems to be the average top wash price around Northeast, well yeah, Northeast Texas. Now there's somebody behind me. Probably our spot free right there. And maybe that's the spot free. The last one of these I went through did like 4 rinse passes.
Thank you. Exit slowly. Thank you. Exit slowly. Thank you. Exit slowly. Thank you. Exit slowly.
I don't see a dryer timer anywhere. We're doing pretty good though. And the machine's moving back there. Premier tries seem to be hit or miss for me. This one didn't seem too bad. And there's the other way. Alright, well, for those watching the video, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. I'll see you all in the next one.